Have you ever wondered what the water diet is? Now, this is a curious case of a diet that's been making waves in the health and wellness world. The water diet, as the name suggests, primarily revolves around consuming copious amounts of water and very little food. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, you might be asking, why would anyone want to do that? Well, this unique dietary approach has grown in popularity due to its promise of weight loss and detoxification. After all, water is vital to our survival and plays a crucial role in our overall health. Hence, the notion of a water-centric diet can seem quite appealing. But here's the catch. While it might sound simple and harmless, the water diet is more complex than it appears. Exciting, isn't it? But before you dive in, let's understand the science behind it. What happens when you go on a water diet? Let's delve into the science. When we talk about a water diet, we're essentially talking about a fasting regimen where only water is consumed for a certain period. But what does this mean for the body? And how does it contribute to weight loss? The human body is like a complex machine that requires fuel to function. And that fuel comes from the food we eat. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the body's primary sources of energy. However, when we drastically limit our food intake, as in a water diet, the body has to find alternative energy sources to keep running. This is when our body turns to stored energy reserves. The body first uses up the glycogen stored in the liver and muscles. Glycogen is a form of glucose that is readily available for immediate energy needs. Once these glycogen stores are depleted, the body then starts breaking down fat stored in adipose tissues for energy. This process is called ketosis, and it's the main reason why people lose weight during a water diet. Now, what's the role of water in all this? Well, water is crucial for many bodily functions, including the breakdown of fats. It also acts as a natural appetite suppressant. When we drink plenty of water, it fills up our stomach and sends signals to the brain that we're full, reducing the urge to eat. This is why drinking a glass of water before meals can help us eat less and control our calorie intake. Moreover, drinking water can also help boost metabolism. A study found that drinking half a liter of water can increase metabolic rate by 30% for about an hour. This means that your body burns more calories even when at rest, contributing to weight loss. Water also aids in digestion and the removal of waste, making it a key player in detoxification. It keeps the body hydrated, supports the health of our skin, and helps maintain proper kidney function. So far so good, but what about the potential risks? Like any diet, the water diet has its share of risks. And while the allure of quick weight loss can be enticing, it's crucial to be aware of these potential hazards. One of the most concerning aspects of the water diet is the risk of nutrient deficiencies. By relying heavily on water for sustenance, you can miss out on the essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients your body needs to function optimally. This can lead to fatigue, weakened immune system, and, in severe cases, even malnutrition. In addition, the water diet can lead to muscle loss. When your body doesn't get enough nutrients, it starts to break down muscle tissue for energy. While you might see a drop on the scales, it's not the kind of weight loss you want. Maintaining muscle mass is crucial for strength, mobility, and overall health. Moreover, the water diet may also pose other health risks. These include dehydration, ironically, despite the high water intake, as your body can flush out important electrolytes. There's also the risk of orthostatic hypotension, a form of low blood pressure that can make you feel dizzy or faint when you stand up. But let's not forget the psychological risks. The water diet can foster an unhealthy relationship with food and potentially lead to disordered eating patterns. It promotes the idea that drastic measures are necessary for weight loss, which is simply not true. A healthy weight loss strategy is about balance. It's about nourishing your body with a variety of foods, not depriving it. It's about moving your body in ways you enjoy, not punishing it. It's about listening to your body's needs, not ignoring them for the sake of a trend. This is not to say that water isn't important. It is, without a doubt. But water is meant to complement a balanced diet, not replace it. Clearly, it's not as simple as it sounds. But is it worth it? That's a question we'll dive into in the next scene. So stick around, and let's continue to unravel the truth about the water diet. Now that we have all the facts, is the water diet really worth it? Let's delve into this, shall we? First, let's weigh the pros. The water diet could be a good short-term solution for those looking to cleanse their system or jumpstart a weight loss journey. Water is essential for all bodily functions, and increasing your intake can help flush out toxins, improve digestion, and keep your skin glowing. On the other hand, the water diet is not a long-term solution for weight loss. It lacks essential nutrients, proteins, and fats our bodies need to function optimally. Plus, it can lead to dangerous side effects like dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, and even organ failure if taken to extremes. So, who is it suitable for? Generally, it is suitable for healthy adults looking for a short-term cleanse or a quick weight loss boost. But it's important to remember that the water diet is not a magic bullet. It's a tool that should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Who should avoid it? Those with kidney or heart conditions, pregnant or nursing women, and anyone under 18 or over 65 should steer clear. The water diet can put unnecessary strain on these individuals and potentially lead to serious health complications. No diet conversation would be complete without a mention of the importance of professional consultation. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new diet ensures that you are making a decision that is safe and appropriate for your unique needs and circumstances. Remember, dieting isn't just about shedding pounds. It's about nourishing your body, feeling good, and living a healthy, balanced life. The water diet, like any other, has its place, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to dieting. What works for one person might not work for another. So, always consult a professional before making any drastic changes to your diet.